2008 Chevy Express van. Got called in here because the traction light comes on. Even sometimes just while you're sitting here at idle, the thing will chime and all of a sudden traction light comes on. Grab the scanner. Since we're looking for traction light, we're going to come in here. It has JL4, electronic brake control module, diagnostic trouble codes, DTC display, and 2 codes. Right rear wheel speed senseless signal erratic, and right rear wheel speed signal shorted or open, battery ground. Okay, so possibly the circuit code here. Let's go back out. Let's get some data display. This car is in a bad spot here. I don't even think I'm going to be able to drive it. Okay. Oh good, it's still set up from the last one I did. That's odd. Right front, left rear, right rear, wheel speed sensors. Come in here and more. Let's go into live plot since they're already pre-selected for us. Okay, 0 to 75 miles an hour. I'm going to try to do this without driving the car. So what I want to do is I want to change over my min-max and hit more again, edit max, and we're going to lower that speed down to, let's say, 2 miles an hour. Since we're not actually going to be moving, hit enter. Going to come down to the next one, same thing, edit, make the maximum 2, hit enter again, same thing on the third one, and if it responds, there we go, hit enter again, exit back out. Now I have a 0 to 2 mile an hour. So it said right rear. Let's go down there. Surrounded by vans here. And let's see. Oh, wait a second here. Okay, so these would probably be the wires. Let's give that a wiggle. Okay, well maybe this one's gonna be easier than I thought. Pause it there. So just by us sitting there wiggling that little harness there, as you can see, that little thin white line is going to be our right rear wheel speed sensor, and we jumped up above 2 miles an hour. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to be going down there and looking at some of the wiring and seeing what they've done down there. I'll bring it back in. Hold on 1 minute.